Welcome to this video on Power Pivot. So we're going to understand how do we install Power Pivot, why do we need it in the first place, how do we work with large data set, because that's one of the challenge with Excel. When you're working with large data set, it tends to hang. We're going to move beyond formulas. Of course, I'm going to cover some of the formulas that is required, but we're going to move beyond formulas and build those dashboards. If you have Copilot inside Excel, then I will show you how you can leverage the power of Copilot to build these dashboards automatically. And don't worry, if you don't have Copilot, then I'm also going to show you, it could be either ChatGPT or any other AI for that matter. How do we use that to build these dashboards? So that is what I'm going to be covering in this video. I look forward to a great learning experience. We're going to be looking at the e-commerce data. So I have different files. We have the customer file, we have the sales report or the order report. We're going to see how do we combine all of this and build that insightful data. Okay, you can download the file and practice along. To download the file, please click in the description below. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.